The Akron grain bag storage system, used by farmers, elevators, and grain exporting companies, was born as an alternative to traditional grain storage systems. Throughout 10 years of constant improvement, the system has been tested under the most extreme weather conditions, that is, places with temperatures below 30 degrees, as well as places with temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. In Argentina, the grain bag storage system has become so massive that approximately half of harvested grain is stored in the farm. There are many factors that have driven farmers around the world to adopt the grain bag storage system. Economical system with minimum investment. It can save a significant amount of money in comparison to traditional storage systems. Grain can be sorted out according to quality. It improves the general schedule of logistics in the agricultural company, thus reducing the harvest times. The system is adopted by farmers and grain exporting companies. The key of grain bag storage is the airtight seal, that is, the removal of oxygen in order to prevent the development of insects, fungi, and plagues. The components involved in the grain bag storage system are grain bag, grain bag loader, grain bag unloader, grain cart. Grain bags are large, sealed polyethylene bags that can store up to 300 tons of wheat. They are made from a laminated mix of up to 5 layers, with the first 2 layers acting as a UV filter and the third layer being darkened to keep out sunlight. Grain bags are commonly available with 9 or 10 foot diameters and lengths up to 150 meters. The second component of this technology, the Akron grain bagger, which features the following elements: easy lift system, hydraulic tray, rubber flap, hopper, funnel, auger, tunnel, hydraulic brake, and transport and working lights. The operation begins when the grain bag is placed onto the tunnel. Thanks to the easy lift system, bag positioning is really simple, with no need to handle the bag once it is on the cradle. Designed to support the bag from below, the hydraulic tray offers the simplest and fastest way to load bags. The rubber flap is designed to prevent grain spillage. Once the machine is properly set, the grain will drop to the reception hopper and transferred to the tunnel by a high-capacity auger. The Akron grain bag unloader is an Argentine development. These machines have a working capacity of up to 300 tons per hour. It has a hydraulically operated roll with variable speed that will roll up the bag. 2 cross augers operate inside the machine, while another high-capacity auger transfers the grain to the truck or grain cart. The bottom gearbox simplifies the auger's performance under the toughest conditions and ensures an optimized way of ending the bag. The grain pusher ensures the easy bag finishing at the end of the bag. The role of the Akron grain cart in the grain bag storage system has great significance. Its high flotation tires reduce soil compaction, its loading capacity, its unloading performance, and its handling versatility and precision make grain carts an essential factor for a production schedule that intends to be efficient. The grain bag storage site has to be a place which poses no risks of bag damage. The ground has to remain firm and as high and plain as possible in an area that doesn't flood. It's very important that the grain bag is placed on a site free from weeds, sticks, stones, and stubble that could penetrate the grain bag. These ground conditions will allow a good and smooth bag loading. The basic concept of grain bagging is that the machine will operate itself with minimum operators monitoring and a low power tractor. Once the grain bag has properly been set onto the tunnel, the user should pull approximately 3 meters of the bag off the roller, seal and flatten the end, then fold the end underneath. Grain will start falling into the hopper, and as the grain bag is being filled, the weight of the grain will provide a downward pressure that will make the machine move forward. Brake pressure adjustment is the key to get the proper bag stretch. Most grain bags have an indicator printed on them to help the user avoid overstretching the grain bag. Grain bag unloading is a very simple procedure. To start with the process, the unloader is placed at the end of the grain bag. Then, the bag is opened and wrapped on the roller. The roller will start rotating, and the cross-bottom augers, located inside the bag, will start the grain unloading operation. A flow control valve will allow roller speed adjustment, while the machine cutting blade will automatically open the bag as the unloading process continues. The grain bag storage system has proved to be a very successful alternative to the traditional grain storage methods. This system, easily applied in any country, has not only been designed to save money and time, but also to improve the harvest operation. Quality is achieved in every step of the production process, thus achieving the greatest profitability. The Akron Grain Bag Storage System, a fast, simple, and economical system designed to store your grain with maximum efficiency.